Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a wig from LUVME here, and I have it right here. So the wig that I'm going to be reviewing today is a glueless wig, and you know that they are known for some of the best glueless wigs. So I'm just going to go right into the box and see what we have here. Here's a pair of wig cap I got with the wig, and I will be using one of these today. I also got this little pouch, and it has some more goodies in there, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open it to see what's in there. I got me a little edge brush. Can't have too much of these, believe me, they are so useful, so handy. I got an edge scarf. People ask me about these edge scarf all the time, but most of the time I get them with my wigs. And I also have another mirror. This is a mirror. If you guys watch my previous videos where I review the hairs from LUVME, you will see that I get these little mirrors. This is the third one now. This is the back of it with their name on it, and then this is what it looks like in the front. And it comes in this cute little pouch. Has their name on it also. And I'm gonna go ahead and just slide my mirror right back in there. Oops. Just like that. I really like this. They fit in my purse, even my wallet, so nicely. And I have 3 of them now, and I'm using them all. This is a hair. It came nicely wrapped up like a present. I just have to take the wraps off, I guess, to get to it. Oh my gosh, look at that bounce, y'all. Look at that bounce. And it has this really nice curl in it. Oh my goodness, I am loving it. It is a pre-pluck wig, not pre-bleach. There you go. So I'm gonna try it on and see what I really need to do with it to, you know, make it mine. So it is a 5x5 lace front wig, and it has a clip in the top of it that you can see right here. It also have another one in the back. Let's see if it has any in the side. Yes, it does. And it also has this strap right here that I'm going to be using to hold it onto my head, because it's a glueless wig and I'm not going to be gluing it on, so I need something to keep it on beside the clips. It also has these little adjustable straps right here that I could use also if this strap is not enough. It is not pre-bleach. It doesn't look pre-bleached to me, but it is definitely pre-plucked. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it on just to see what I really need to do to it today. Already it is fitting on my head so good. I didn't have to use the extra adjustable bands in it. I just used that big elastic band that I showed to you guys not too long ago. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off of it in the front. Then I'm gonna put my stocking cap on, and then we're gonna go from there. So I'm using one of the stocking cap that they sent me because it's 2 of them in the pack. I only need 1 of them today. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. I already cut the lace off of it. I am not gonna add any foundation on my stocking cap just yet. I want to see what it looks like without it, because maybe I can get away without doing that. So I'm not liking the way it's looking right here, so I'm gonna take it back off and add foundation on the lace itself, none on my stocking cap. I'm also gonna pluck the part in a little bit because I don't like the way that look either. Okay, I'm liking it so much better now. Now that I put the foundation on the lace and I plucked the part a little bit, I like it so much better. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add some curl right here in the front. That's the only place I'm gonna be adding curls, and I feel like that's gonna complete everything. I'm gonna go ahead and use my mousse to brushing the front of the hair. I'm gonna use this edge wax on the hair. This is from Edge Effect, and I'm just gonna put it right up here because I want it to look a little bit flatter here. And I'm also gonna rub it in my hand like this and rub it up and put it all over. And this is gonna help to minimize the frizzing that's going on right now, and already it's looking better. I'm not gonna brush out these curls just yet. I'm gonna do my makeup, and when I get back I will brush them out. So that's what I'm gonna go do right now, and I will be back to see you guys with the finished look. This is the finished look, guys. It is such a beautiful hair. I know you cannot see the full length right now, but at the end of the video I will post some pictures so you guys could see the full length. I really love this hair. I am not having no shredding going on. My fingers just gliding right through it, no problem. I also really like how bouncy the hair is. Like, look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. The curls are nice too. I only curled the front like you saw me did right before doing my makeup. I didn't add no curls in the back or anything like that. I just went with the curls that was already in it. I love this unit, like for real. And like I told you guys before, it's glueless. So here we go. As you can see, it's not glued down on me. It's very easy. If I want to just take it off, put it on a mannequin head, you know, and when I'm ready to go somewhere I throw it right back on, because not all the time I want to be dealing with the glue and the gel and all of that stuff. This definitely comes in handy. I will leave all the information in the description box along with my discount code, so you guys could go on their website and find yourself a unit that you like, or maybe the same one that I'm wearing. And I would advise you to get this one because it's beautiful. It is so beautiful. It's nice. You're not gonna regret it. So definitely go over there, check it out. Again, the wig is from LUVME here, and they do have a lot of glueless wigs. So if this length or this curl pattern is not your style, they do have something that I'm pretty sure you will like. This is the back of it. Look at that. Look how full it is. Look how bouncy it is. Like, it's just so amazing. I love it. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.